The U.S. Supreme Court tomorrow will take up a case focused on what the Constitution means when it assigns state legislatures to the task of regulating elections. It's a case that has many observers saying could have big implications on our democracy. Joining us to help analyze the issue before the High Courts is University of Colorado law professor Doug Spencer. Thank you, Professor Spencer, for joining us here today.
Thank you for having me.
Now, the case before the court tomorrow, known as Moore v. Harper, originated in North Carolina. Can you explain what exactly is in question?
Yes, the case deals with a question for the U.S. Supreme Court to reevaluate its own precedent. So several decisions that it's made over the past 100 years interpreting the U.S. Constitution. The U.S. Constitution says that the time, manner, and places of holding elections shall be decided in each state by the legislature thereof. And the argument is that because the word legislature has been identified, only a legislature should be able to make election laws. So in North Carolina, the legislature there passed a new set of congressional districts. It was struck down by the state Supreme Court as being a gerrymander. The state Supreme Court said gerrymanders are unconstitutional. And the state legislature then has appealed this to the U.S. Supreme Court and argued that the state Supreme Court has no authority to make a decision in this case because they're not a legislature, and the Constitution gives the legislature sole authority.
Now, if the Supreme Court rules in favor of redistricting, what could be the implications of that?
If the U.S. Supreme Court says that state legislatures have sole authority to make election laws, it would throw our entire system into chaos. Nearly every election law that we know is not passed by a state legislature. Independent redistricting commissions, where your polling place is, the time of your polling place, the kind of machine that you use, all of these decisions are made by a Secretary of State, maybe a county clerk. So everything that we know about how elections are run would be thrown into disarray, and state legislatures would have to step up. We'd also see gerrymandering become far more common and far more extreme.
How might that affect us here in Colorado?
I think we're really lucky in Colorado because our state legislature has been active in developing the election rules that we have. So we won't feel the pinch of this like we might in other states. Even our Independent Redistricting Commission was created by an act of the state legislature. So it would survive, and our state Supreme Court has a say because the legislature has ceded that authority to them.
All right. Well, thank you for shedding some light on that, Professor Spencer, and thank you for joining us here today. All of that information will be available on CBS